Hey everyone, today I'm here with some exciting leaks and rumors about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Trust me, these leaks are coming from some of the most reliable sources out there. Oh, and there's a surprise phone that might also launch alongside the S25 series. But we'll get to that later. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Let's start with the design changes, because the Galaxy S25 Ultra is introducing some noticeable tweaks compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. First up, the corners. If you look at the S24 Ultra, you'll notice it has sharp, boxy edges. Now, compare that to the S25 Ultra. The corners are slightly rounded, making it much more comfortable to hold. No more sharp edges digging into your hand. Next, the frame. The S24 Ultra had a slightly curved frame, but the S25 Ultra takes a completely flat approach, giving it a sleeker, boxier look. And here's an interesting detail. The width of the S25 Ultra is rumored to be a bit narrower than the S24 Ultra. Side by side, the S24 feels wider, so this subtle change might make the S25 Ultra more ergonomic and easier to handle. Apart from that, the buttons, USB-C port, and even the top and left sides of the device remain unchanged. The camera rings, however, are expected to look slightly different with new color accents. Now let's talk about the M14 panel on the S25 Ultra. This panel is said to be 20 to 30% more efficient than last year's display. It's also brighter, more durable, and features a special anti-reflective coating that significantly reduces glare. While it still features the same LTPO technology and Quad HD Plus resolution, it's a nice upgrade overall. Battery department? Unfortunately, the leaks suggest no changes here. The S25 Ultra is likely sticking with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt charging, just like the S24 Ultra. The S25 Ultra will ship with Android 14 and OneUI 7. If you're running the OneUI 7 beta on your S24 Ultra, you've probably noticed some changes already, like the revamped Quick Settings panel. Now, when you swipe down from the left side, you'll see notifications, and swiping down from the right side reveals the Quick Settings menu. There's also a cool update to the app drawer. The search bar has moved to the bottom for easier access. Plus, you can now choose between vertical scrolling or the traditional layout. And don't forget the lock screen customization. A new feature called the Now bar has been added at the bottom of the lock screen. It shows controls for your music, timers, or charging status, making it super convenient. Now on to cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a significant upgrade, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, replacing the 12-megapixel lens on the S24 Ultra. However, the 3x telephoto lens might remain the same at 10 megapixels, which is a bit disappointing since we've seen this sensor since the S23 Ultra. The main sensor and the rumored improvements to image processing still could make this one of the best camera phones in 2025. Under the hood, the S25 series is expected to feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, delivering top-tier performance. The leaks also mention impressive multi-core benchmark scores, so we're expecting nothing less than blazing fast speed and efficiency. As for RAM, rumors suggest the base model will still have 8 GB of RAM. While that's sufficient for most users, we'd love to see more RAM in higher-end configurations. When it comes to price, rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 series will stick to the same pricing as the S24 lineup. And the launch? Mark your calendars for January 22nd, 2025, as multiple sources point to this date. Oh, and about that surprise phone, a mysterious model called the Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to launch later, possibly in March. Details are sparse, but it's exciting to see Samsung experimenting with new form factors. So, that's everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 series. The design tweaks, improved display, and camera upgrades make it a worthy successor to the S24 Ultra, even if some features remain unchanged. What do you think about the S25 Ultra and the possibility of the S25 Slim? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to join our growing tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.